You are welcome to LED TV Repair channel. Today I am going to give you a suggestion in the condition of power supply blast. In this condition we need to fit universal power module. If any component of power supply is not found, it can be used. Let's start. First of all, look for the voltage of capacitor. We found current charge in capacitor. Check the components of the power board. This universal power module creates 5 voltage up to 24 voltage. Here we found wires of 4 colors. Fit red wire in drain of MOSFET. Black wire in negative voltage of main capacitor. And fit yellow wire in output voltage of power supply. Blue wire in output ground. Presets should be adjusted equal to the voltage of power supply. I made my preset 12.4 volt to be adjusted, which is equal to the voltage of power supply. TV is perfectly working now. Thank you for watching full video. Remember to like my video, comment and also share to get more new videos. And do not forget to subscribe my channel. Always be updated with me and my channel. Thank you so much. Namaste. Have a good day.